Hey guys, Alex here at Performance Ford Lincoln in Bountiful. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to use Active Park Assist.
Step 1. Turn on Active Park Assist by pressing the button located in the center console. Step 2. Activate turn signal adjacent to the side on which you want to park the vehicle. Step 3. Pull forward until the vehicle finds a spot. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts. At this stage, you can let go of the steering wheel and let the vehicle do all the steering for you. Do keep in mind, you do have to control the speed and deceleration of the vehicle during this process. Step 5. Shift into park to deactivate Park Assist. If you have any questions, give us a call.